Good morning, welcome back.
Morning.
We're working on the Remember This, which is that quiz from yesterday. So I looked at the grades, again, not the strongest, so let's review how to do this. All right, in our equation, here's our equation. This is the y-intercept. The biggest error that I saw here is that many of the errors were graphing this on the x-axis. Don't. It should be graphed on the y-axis. So +1 on the y-axis is right here. Now that I've graphed the y-intercept on the y-axis, we're going to grab the slope. This number right here is the slope. Is it positive or is it negative? Positive, which means I'm going to count up and to the right, or I'm going to count down and to the left from the point that I drew. So here on this grid, I'm going to start here at the intercept that I drew, and I'm going to count up 2, 1, 2, and to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. And I can do it as many times as I have graph paper and as many times as I want to. The more times you plot points, likely the straighter your line is going to be. We can also go down to the left. So from here, 1, 2, and to the left, 1, 2, 3. Once you've gotten enough points that you're like, okay, I know where this line is. Bless you. Bless you. I'm going to grab my favorite handy-dandy straight edge, and I'm going to line up the points. I'm going to line up points as far away from each other as I can, just to make sure this line is nice and straight. So I nudge it around with my pencil tip a couple times. Once I feel really comfortable, I'm going to draw my line, try to get it to go to the edge of the graph paper. These protractors are really short, so if it doesn't, you may need to move it so that you can get the last bit of line. And then the last thing I need you to do is label it. Label it with its equation. This line is y equals 2 over 3x plus 1.